Today we are going to discuss the past simple of the verb to be. We use the simple past tense to describe something that happened in the past and has already finished. Like the present tense, the simple past tense can also be used to describe habits done in the past, such as I was late to school every day when I was younger. The word every day is used to indicate a habit. The past tense of to be is used to show that something exists and the state of that existence. It does not show actions. Now, we need to work out how to form the past simple tense. As we have seen before, there are two types of verb in English: the verb to be and other verbs. In this presentation, I will show you how to use the verb to be as a sentence or as a question. The past tense of the verb to be is easy to form. We just change I am to I was, he is to he was, she is to she was, and it is to it was. All of this is shown in the chart. For other pronouns like you, we, and they, we change the verb from are to were. Here are some examples. I was an excellent student at secondary school. Ali was a naughty child. Jane was a beautiful little girl. The cat was thirsty after its long walk. Remember, Ali is a he, and the pronoun he agrees with was. So the sentence Ali was a naughty child could also be he was a naughty child. In the sentence Jane was a beautiful girl, Jane could be changed to she, and she agrees with was, so it could be she was a beautiful girl. In the sentence the cat was thirsty after its long walk, the pronoun for cat is it, so the matching verb form of to be in the past is was. It was thirsty after its long walk. The same is true of I. I agrees with was. I was late to class yesterday. What about subjects such as they, or Alia and Miriam, we, or you? The correct form of to be in the past, which agrees with these words, is were. Look at some examples of this. Alia and Miriam were in level 5 last year. We weren't in class yesterday because it was Friday. You were in the library at 9 a.m. this morning. Let's make questions using the verb to be in the past. So, for the question, were Maria and Claire at the party last night? The answer would be either yes they were, or no they weren't. We use were because the pronoun for Maria and Claire is they, which agrees with were. Let's look at this example. Was Mary a student last year? The answer is either yes she was, or no she wasn't. We use was because it agrees with Mary. We can also use the verb to be with information questions that begin with who, what, when, where, why, how, how much, and how many. Let's look at the table above. As with the yes or no questions, was goes with I, he, she, and it, while were goes with you, we, they. The first word in the question is the question verb. Then the verb to be follows. The subject comes next. Question word plus was or were plus subject. Let's look at some of these question types. Here are some examples. Who was his teacher? Where was his primary school? How old was Ali when he started university? Okay, now let's practice. Can you think of sentences and questions in the past simple tense of to be? You will need a pen or pencil and your note-taking sheet to complete the following activity. Use the following words to write 5 sentences and questions. 1. Was. 2. Wasn't. 3. Were. 4. Weren't. 5. Where. That is all for today. Remember to re-watch this video as many times as you like. Thanks for watching and good luck.